Yeah, so Zeus develops software-based load balancers and application delivery controllers. These really help enterprises to deliver applications that are fast, secure, available, and elastic, but with the economics of cloud. So we work with a number of enterprises and cloud providers to deliver this capability and allow them to deliver applications that always meet their customers' expectations.
Talk about the application delivery controller. It enables you to have faster response time, faster access to the data flowing back and forth.
Yeah, so the application delivery controller, what it's actually doing is sitting in front of an application and controlling the flow of traffic between the end user, person sitting there on their web browser or on their iPhone, and the application itself, so the servers that are running the application in the data center or in the cloud. And what it does is at its most basic, is balances the traffic across multiple servers to make sure that the application is always fast and available. But then it also takes care of a lot of tasks that the application servers would otherwise have to do. So things like it takes care of encryption, compression, XML transformation, and so on. It also, because of the fact it sees all the traffic going back and forward between the user and the application, it's able to do clever things. Like, for example, if you were deploying a shopping application, you could make sure that if a user of your shopping application has something in their cart, that they always get a better priority of service than someone that doesn't. So you can make sure their transaction completes. Or you can modify traffic as it goes past. So, for example, if you have an application that's developed for a traditional PC-based web browser, you could very quickly modify the application on the fly to be able to target perhaps an iPhone or an Android phone, and so the content was suitable for the screen size.
So the workshop that you gave was within connection with your partner Alert Boot, and they have a point-of-sale software system, which I think they use for cell phone companies.
Alert Boot are one of our customers based in Las Vegas, and they have a cell phone point-of-sale application. One of the clever things they've been doing is their application is deployed in the cloud. They moved from physical data centers to the cloud a couple of years ago, and because of the fact that Zeus's product is delivered as pure software, it makes it very easy to deploy our product in any virtual environment, on top of any hypervisor, or indeed in any cloud. So it was very easy for Alert Boot to deploy their application across two different clouds with no code modifications whatsoever. The other clever thing that they're doing with the Zeus product is they use the Zeus product to auto-scale the infrastructure. What do I mean by that? When the latency of their application starts to, when the Zeus product sees that the latency of the application is starting to approach a preset level, we're able to spin up additional infrastructure in the cloud and add that to our pool and start to balance traffic to those additional servers. So, in other words, increase the available compute power and make that latency reduce. So customers are always getting an excellent service.
And that was helpful during holiday peak times.
Exactly. So what it meant for them was in the holiday season, without having to sit there and monitor the application and have fire drills whenever there was a big peak of traffic, the application would just automatically respond, deploy more infrastructure, and then when the demand went away, take it down again. What that meant for Alert Boot was a significant reduction in the cost of actually delivering that application over that holiday period.
So are any other clients taking advantage of this this product that's truly, it's virtualized, it's taking the physical applications away and becoming a virtualized load balancer.
One of the key benefits of the product is that it helps organizations to fully decouple their application from the physical infrastructure. So it removes those dependencies that exist between the application and the physical infrastructure. What that means is that you start to achieve the flexibility and agility that virtualization and cloud has always promised, but has been very difficult to achieve. So, for example, the ability to rapidly scale, migrate and distribute an application becomes much easier if there are no specific hardware dependencies. So we've been working with a lot of customers in deploying applications in this way. And also a lot of cloud providers. So a lot of the key cloud providers like Amazon, Rackspace, Joyent, GoGrid, and so on, offer our product as an add-on to their compute as a service, storage as a service capabilities, so that it's very easy for a customer to deploy fast and scalable applications in the cloud.
Thank you. Is there anywhere where you'd send clients to find more information?
Yeah, if customers, clients would like to find out more information, then they can go to www.zeus.com.
Thank you.